Right now, I'm here with Timmy, Arthur, Alex, and Dennis Matsuk. After the football game against NoHo.
Let's go.
For $7, Dennis is going to eat this pepper right here.
Yes.
$7. Whole pepper has to be gone. And if anyone wants to throw in money for this, they can.
I don't have any money, but.
Alright, tell yours, my man.
A burger.
Alright, what?
He's gonna need that burger after, man. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's gonna die right now.
I'm playing ping pong.
That's ballsy, bro.
It's actually not bad.
It's not bad, are you serious?
Okay, now it's hot. Woo! Oh, it's so hot.
I can't believe you just did that.
Somebody get this bitch some water.
Well, it's gotta be 3 minutes with no water. That's what counts as eating something.
Okay, I got water right there. It's just.
Dude, he's not.
Hey, buddy, I didn't make up the rules, okay? Don't.
Yo, he's doing this pretty good right now, man. I wouldn't be able to do that.
So let's get another $5 more.
Dude, he's fine. Look at that.
Wow,
My mouth's just burning.
that's actually pretty impressive.
Yo, his eyes are like.
Teddy, ghost pepper.
You are crying.
Hey. Arthur, do you want to add money for the ghost pepper or no?
Dennis,
Wait a minute.
Ghost
That's a
pepper.
ghost pepper?
What?
ghost pepper.
Goats?
Ghost.
Dude, that's a ghost pepper?
It's getting hot.
I think it's.
This is a chili. There's a ghost pepper in there, though.
Oh, it's so hot.
Okay, Teddy, I will get 10 extra bucks.
If you're eating a ghost pepper,
Yo, but somebody's gotta throw it down with me, because that's gonna be.
hey, there's $7 in there right now. Is it bad right now?
Oh, dude, it's bad now. How much time do I have left?
I don't know.
Yo, have some water, have some water.
It's been going for like.
No, I'm taking
Hey.
the 3 minutes.
It's been going for a minute right now, man.
Alright. I'm burning. It's so hot.
Think about milk and how soothing it is.
Dude, it's so hot.
Hey guys, if anyone's hungry, there's burgers on the table.
Nice. Just get away from the pain.
Jimmy, if you want anything else, just grab it.
Yo, I feel bad that I made you do that then.
Because
dude,
two of
it's
these
fine.
guys aren't even hungry, which means that it's all just leftover food.
Hey,
Yo,
well,
I'm crying. My nose is running.
Look at your eyes.
I'm tearing up.
I need salt, dude.
Teddy, take some water.
Hey,
For 3 minutes.
right here. Hey,
Got it.
ghost pepper.
No, not now.
Hey, Alex.
You know you could
T.
permanently damage your taste buds with that?
Yeah. Hey, no, look at this, man. This thing is just.
It looks rotten to me right now. And eating that little pepper right there, it's
Yeah.
tiring me out right now.
Hey, but think about it. You could do this now. You just did that.
Oh, yeah, right. That's probably gonna kill me. Oh crap.
Alright, hey, you could drink water now.
How much time was it?
I talked for like a minute. It's been like 2 minutes.
I already said 3 minute rule.
Yeah, man, it's good.
Well, let's give him 30 more seconds. Then that'll be
Alright.
at least 3 minutes.
Is it still hot or no?
Whoa! You said you didn't play ping pong.
I don't play ping pong. Booyah!
It's still in play.
Let's go, dude. Keep it in play then. Yo, that's like a church thing. So,
Yo.
Oh, I know where it went. There's a shelf in the back.
yeah, to hold
Actually, no.
Bibles. To hold
Hey,
Bibles.
look.
and stuff, right?
There's 2 more up there. Yeah,
I know.
But I want the soccer ball.
Hey, I'm gonna end the video, man. You can drink your water now.
Yo, drink your water.